The Athletics star player Giambi left for the New York Yankees. The club's board of directors then looked for a replacement among the up-and-coming rookies to create a new Giambi. But creating a new Giambi because Giambi is gone is not the real problem and strategy for the Athletics. The real problem is winning games. Giambi's on-base percentage is 0.477, while his teammates Damon and Olmedo are 0.324 and 0.291 respectively for an average of 0.364. Any combination that can produce an OBP of 0.364 will put the team closer to winning. The Athletics acquired Justice, who is older and underperforming, and Hatteberg, who has nerve damage in his elbow. It was all about the on-base percentage. That year, the Athletics won an American League record 20 straight games. You need to think about whether what you're solving is a real problem or a strategy. Very often we focus on the solution, not the problem. Like finding a new Giambi because Giambi is gone. Are you solving a real problem? I hope this channel will help you with that.